back to my channel. It's your girl Jay Lee. I'm coming to y'all with another video, and I am doing a first impression initial review of some brushes, and they are from BS Malls Cosmetics, I guess. It's their makeup brush set, and this is called New Beauty, New You. I guess it's their slogan. And it came actually in this nice little sleek box. The last time I got some, it didn't come in this, but this one's did. It's 18 brushes in here. They were $8.99. And I'm Prime, so I got free shipping. They are really pretty. I'm taking them out for the first time with you guys. These are the brushes. And it also comes with, I guess, I'm going to put the brushes back in real quick. It comes with a little pamphlet. They have on here their Facebook and Instagram. And then they also, in the back, which I like, they tell you what all the brushes are for. So, let's go ahead and jump right on in, and I'm going to tell you what I got. They're soft. What's going on with these brushes. So, I'm going to take them out and jump on in. So I'm going to see how it looks compared to this paper. Alright, so first, I don't know, y'all. Yeah, I'm going to just grab them out as I go. This must be brush number 2, which means it is. They don't really have a smell either. I will say they have like that package smell, but nothing too bad. They're really, really soft. Like, really, really soft. They are synthetic fibers, which I do like because it does not actually soak up as much product. But this one is the flat angle brush. It says it fits all areas of the face seamlessly. I use these for powders to set my face. They work really well for that. I use them for foundation. That's about it. Just to sort of blend. But that's this one. It's really soft. I like it because it's not too big, but I can get into certain like small areas and tight areas. So I like that. Next we have, which one is this? I think this is number 4. So that is going to be an angled. It says it's perfect for blush and bronzers. And I think it would actually be really good for a bronzer because it has that angle. See, look. The angle. So that's for bronzers. And once again, the only thing I'll say is that the fibers, all of them aren't necessarily even, but from far away you can't see it, but I can see it just because I'm looking at it. But I've had that with some expensive brushes as well, so not a big deal to me. This one is number 6, and again, all these brushes are so freaking soft, y'all. This is a powder brush, and you can use it to add powder under your eyes and different things like that. Next, we have number 3. This is their number 3 brush. They don't have numbers on their brushes. But this is the number 3 brush. It's the face flat brush. It blends liquid and cream products into flat areas of the face, such as the forehead and the cheeks. But I use this all over my face, like for real, to apply my foundations. And to set new setting powders. This one is brush number 5. It's the Tapered Brush. It's best to conceal under eyes and nose area where it's hard to reach. And I like this one because it's really small. Like, it get right in there. Look, y'all. Get right in there. So, I like this one. And again, they're all soft. None of the hairs are actually coming out. The next one we have is brush number 1. And this one says it's a multi-function brush. This one would be good for contouring as well. It'll give you that sharp line, y'all. The real sharp line, and you can actually still use this on your nose. So I think this, I'm going to use this to contour. I think, y'all. Next they have a bunch of lip brushes, concealer brushes, and things of that nature. So I just have like a bunch of eyeshadow brushes and concealer brushes. Like this is a concealer brush here, flat eyeshadow brush. Excuse me. This is a mini lip brush. Oh, excuse me. A blending brush. Another concealer brush. This one is a detail brush. This is an eyebrow brush. So it has the very thin, this is an eyebrow brush. It has the tips as well as the spoolie on it. So I like that. This one is an eyeliner brush. And they have the little plastic top on it, but that's that. So there's another, I think this is a lip brush. And then it just has some large, flat eyeshadow brushes as well. So, I like this set. And again, it was 18 brushes for $8.99. If you're Prime, you can get like 5% off coupons and stuff like that. BS Smalls actually just has some really good brushes. I have a few of their sets, and they are inexpensive. I feel they're very beginner-friendly brushes because you literally get every brush that you would need to do any type of look with these brushes. It's inexpensive, so if you're a beginner and you don't have the money to go out and buy Morphe and, you know, spend $100, $200, heck, $30 on brushes, and you don't know what you're doing anyway, 18 of them, you can't beat it for less than 10 bucks. So I will put the link to these exact brushes down in the video. I did purchase another set, and I'm going to show you those as well in a later video. And I'm going to actually do, I'm actually going to use them in my next few videos, and I will let you guys know which ones I'm using so you can see exactly how they're doing. So make sure you subscribe. Boop, 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 boop. You got to become a part of the family, y'all. You really got to become a part of the family. Because if you're not a part of the family, it's like, what? Because I want to love you. But make sure you subscribe. Make sure that you're hitting the notification bell. Because I just figured out that it'll say personalized, but it won't send you any notifications now. So you got to make sure you hit the notification bell and hit all so you can always see when I'm uploading. And I will see you in the next video.